to put olive oil. Roughly about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is important. Excellent. And then garlic. Red onion. Spring onion. Tomato. Mixed pepper. And the rest. Everything. Fresh thyme. That looking good. That looks amazing. Season. Basil. Yeah. Mixed herb. Paprika. That looks delicious. Yeah. Little bit of turmeric. Yeah. All right. Mix in. Look at that. That looking good. Yeah. This is red kidney bean. That looking good. Let's get the kettle on. That looking good, guys. Vegetable stock. That looking good. Tin tomato. Some butter. It's gonna bring in flavor to it. A little bit of water, make like a sauce. Black pepper. Pinch of Jamaican sea salt. Mix it. We're not gonna put any dumpling or anything in it. We're just gonna leave it like this, so you guys can see the end of the video, what I'm going to be doing. So if you just watch the front part of the video, that's not gonna make sense for you. You have to watch the whole entire video to see what I'm doing. A good vibe. So look at that. Alright, so that looks so good. Right, now let's try it and see where we are. Perfect. Let's try it. That looking good. Yeah. So if you're just gonna watch the front part of the video, you're wasting your time. You have to watch the whole entire video to see what I've been doing. Alright. Yeah, so you guys can see that looking fantastic and amazing. Excellent. So we're not gonna put like dumpling and all of those things in this. No, we're just gonna keep it like this. Alright? Yeah. So that looking good. And the flavor tastes right. So yeah, that's amazing. Let's get the plate. We're gonna serve it up into. Let's use the bowl. The bowl from the bowl. Alright. So yeah, that looking good, guys. Quick stew. So if you're a person who work very hard, come home from work and decide you wanna, you know what I mean, do something in the evening, then this goes down really well for you. Yeah. This will go down. Yeah, really well. And not only that, the flavor is right and it's simple and easy to cook. Yeah, you can use the tin kidney bean, or you can just cook your bean, put it in the freezer and use it as it goes on. A good vibes. Let's get the rest of the ingredients up and running. gonna shear it up so you guys can see how that looks. Perfect. Let's shear it up. Very easy recipe. Get the bean and the carrot. Let's put the bean and the carrot right there. All right. I love these things. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. You know, I don't eat nothing more than just vegetable. I'll really say I'm a vegetarian, but I eat more vegetables more than anything else. All right, yeah. A good vibe. Look at that. So that look nice. Now, let's shear up this fantastic mash. So this is the sweet and carrot mash. You can even call it carrot mash. All right. This is how I make it this evening. All right. If you're interested, you don't have to. Option. No one is forcing you. I'm telling you, you have to make this. Oh, no. You can't use that. All right. You have to use something to lift up the stew. All right. So, this is the stew. Look at that. Now, this is how the stew look like. Alright. Yeah, you guys can see what I'm talking about and what I've been doing. If you are interested in this kind of recipe, you don't have to. Okay. Yeah. All right. Quick update on my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available for you guys to grab on yourself a copy of my book on Amazon. Okay. Now you guys can see for yourself. Okay. Now you can just put some parsley or some coriander on top of it, and that's it. You're good to go. All right. You can eat this any time of the week, any time of the month. Good vibes. You guys can see how that meal come out amazing and fantastic. So that's what I do want to share with you this evening and give you a little bit of ideas how you can make this at home. Simple little recipe like this, but very, very good, very powerful, very effective, and also healthy to make at home. A good vibes. Now, if you have any ideas and you want to share to me, leave it in the comment section. And yeah, this you can freeze this, you can keep this for up to 3 days in your fridge and you're good to go. It's just vegetables. Good vibes.